Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a QR code onto your Snapseed edits. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the plus button. You can just tap on this button and choose any picture from your gallery in order to start editing it right away. Now, when you are editing your image, if you wish to create this image as a QR code, then you can simply click on the Edit Stack button at the top section and you will now see the QR look option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the Create QR look option. Go ahead and click on this, and this will now add a QR code onto this image right away. You can then tap on the Share button, and this can now be shared directly using various different applications with your friends. You can also go into the same menu within the QR look option, and you can scan someone else's QR look by using the Scan button. When you click on this option, you will be asked to provide the access to your camera. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a QR code on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.